Welcome to Solflare Wallet versus Math Wallet, Solana. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are provided in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Solflare Wallet and Math Wallet, focusing on their features, usability, and target users to help you choose the right wallet for your Solana-based activities. Solflare Wallet is designed exclusively for the Solana blockchain, offering a smooth and intuitive experience for managing Sol tokens, staking, and interacting with Solana's decentralized applications, dApps. It's particularly appealing to NFT enthusiasts with built-in tools to manage and showcase Solana-based NFTs. Available as a web wallet, mobile app, or browser extension, Solflare provides flexibility for users across different platforms. It also emphasizes security with features like Ledger hardware wallet integration, phishing protection, and multi-signature functionality, making it a safe and user-friendly option for both beginners and advanced users. On the other hand, Math Wallet is a multi-chain wallet that supports Solana along with over 100 other blockchains, offering more versatility if you're managing assets across multiple ecosystems. It features a clean interface, a built-in dApp browser, and support for hardware wallets, including Ledger. Math Wallet also stands out with its support for Solana staking, although its focus on being a universal wallet means it might not have the same deep integration and Solana-specific features as Solflare. It's available on web, mobile, and desktop platforms, giving users the freedom to access their assets from virtually anywhere. If your primary focus is on Solana-specific activities like staking, NFT management, and engaging with Solana dApps, Solflare Wallet is the better choice due to its Solana-first design and seamless user experience. However, if you're managing assets on multiple blockchains and need a wallet that supports a wide range of ecosystems, Math Wallet offers broader functionality while still handling Solana effectively. Both wallets provide strong security measures, but your decision will ultimately depend on whether you prioritize Solana-exclusive features or multi-chain flexibility. Check the links in the description to explore both wallets further and make the best choice for your needs.